how to deactivate Messenger account. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Messenger account. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to actually open up facebook.com and you get to your Messenger, or you can download the Messenger app on your mobile phone. So once you have the Messenger, now keep in mind that Messenger is a part of Facebook. It's an inbox that we have on Facebook. So in order to actually deactivate your Messenger as an app, if you're using the app, then all you need to do is just log out of your Messenger app, uninstall your app. So it will get rid of your Messenger and you will just log out. But you still have that Messenger on Facebook. You will be getting messages on Facebook right here. So in order to deactivate the Messenger, you will have to delete your Facebook account. So once you delete your Facebook account, your Messenger will be deactivated completely. It will be deleted. Otherwise, you can sign out of your Messenger app, uninstall it, and it will be deactivated again. And here, what you can do, there are some of these settings that you can do, such as your active status. So you can turn off your active status from here. You can turn off your notifications. You can select do not disturb. And then you can also add the preferences settings that you can do here. So once you do this, this will eventually deactivate your Messenger and you won't be receiving any messages anymore. This is the way we can deactivate our Messenger and do not get messages on Facebook. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.